Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming membership and safety so help arrives quickly. Call the AAA number or open the app. Give your membership ID and a concise description of the problem. Explain your exact location using GPS coordinates, mile marker, or a nearby landmark so the dispatcher can route the closest service vehicle. Once done, tell them whether you're in the car or at the roadside. This affects response type and safety instructions. You now give detailed vehicle and problem information so technicians arrive prepared. State year, make, model, color, and plate number, then describe symptoms, flat tire, dead battery, lockout, or fuel delivery so they bring the right tools. Ask for an estimated time of arrival and the service vehicle's ID so you can track it. Make sure to confirm any out-of-policy charges or mileage limits if the task exceeds membership coverage. This prevents surprises. You finish by safely meeting and verifying the technician's ID. Do not hand over keys until verified. Observe the work when possible, and ask for a concise summary of what was done and why, plus any follow-up recommendations. Confirm charges and request a receipt for your records. If the problem isn't resolved, call AAA immediately, document timestamps, and take photos. These details speed escalation and help with refunds or additional service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.